Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to the Python 3D Modeler. In this video we will make something new. So first of all, I have a basic scene setup here with some light and a plane, a single area light, a plane and a camera. Okay, the main thing is we have to make a text with some doodle effect. First of all, I will add a path curve and start making it. I will convert it to a text base like it is written in the doodle shape. It is not very much hard to make it, but it is really simple and it looks good also. First, write it as a text. I will make it at any text like vibe. I will use vibe, and we can add any text we want, but we use the curve. Okay, after adding the text, now add some adjustment, do some adjustment and set it as you like. Subdivide some vertices of the curves, scale some around and then place it correctly, like subdivide these two and move them just as close to it possible, like this, and make it just like this. Now only making it is not important. We can set it as we like and make it as any shape we want, but make it simple and like curve style. It is looking much better. And scale some around and match the shape. Okay, now our text is looking good. Now this is where the fun part starts. Now we have to go to the setting of the curve on the right side menu. Okay, we can add any text, like I added text cool with the same method, and I will scale it in the camera at the really front of the camera and place it just like this. Okay, now we have a really nice setup here. Add it to the, now go to the setting, curve setting, add some depth to it. We can add another circle and target object that one, and now we are getting something really nice. We can add fill caps, but we don't want that. We can do that later. Okay, now we have to make it a 3D object to make it look realistic, and it's going to all the way around. So to do that, we will increase a little bit of resolution and something like that. Add some resolution we want, but we can convert it to mesh and subdivide it in the after converting it to mesh, but we can do that. We can do both we want, so it's up to us what we choose. Okay, now move some vertices around, like move them a little back and move them forward and back to not get the overlapping vertices. Move them just like this, then save your work. This will give a really nice result and a quite doodle effect. Just like this, we are getting something. Okay, we can use proportionality for moving them around, but use that if you want. Okay, now we are getting what we want. We can add depth to it as we want and the resolution as well. Okay, after adjusting it, now we can convert it to mesh, but first set everything before converting it to mesh, like making the shape like this. And yes, now look in the camera view and see if everything lines up. Now we can decrease the resolution as 1 and maintain the depth just like this. Okay, now we can add a subdivision or a build modifier. If we add a build modifier, we will get this really nice effect that will look like it is writing itself. Okay, now convert it to mesh and give a subdivision surface. Okay, now at the very end of the both side, these are two separate pieces like this. Yes, this one. Now we have to delete it, fill it individually. Yes, like this, and do the same thing to the other side as well. Fill it, insert it and merge at center. Now we are getting really nice doodle art, and we can make anything from this curve and make it like that. Now we can give any material to it. I like the orange color with a lot of shine, a little bit of metallicness. This will give a nice result and a shiny effect, shiny doodle art. Okay guys, this is the method we can convert any text into doodle art. To save your work, add some subdivision, and we can add build modifier to add some really nice art, really nice writing effect like this. But it's up to us how we make it, and give it some nice render in the cycles engine. Save your work. Okay, now set some of your render setting. I'll see you guys in the next video. There's a result in the last of the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video with some really nice and new art just like we made in this video. So thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.